Welcome to our video on food and health. Today we'll explore the importance of food, the nutrients our bodies need, and some fun activities to understand food preservation. Let's dive right in. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the importance of food in our daily lives.
Identify the 5 major nutrients present in food.
Recognize why a balanced diet is crucial for health.
Discuss how exercise helps us stay fit and healthy. List healthy cooking habits. Learn different ways to preserve food effectively. Let's start by understanding why food is essential for all.
Food provides us with the energy needed to perform daily activities, grow, and maintain good health. Food can be enjoyed in 2 forms, solid or liquid, giving us flexibility and variety in our diet. Now, let's talk about the 5 major nutrients in food. Each nutrient plays a special role in helping our body function properly.
For example, carbohydrates provide us with quick energy,
while proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, which are found in eggs, fish, and legumes. We need a balanced diet containing all these nutrients to stay healthy and strong.
Alongside good nutrition, exercise is equally important.
Good cooking habits also contribute to our health. Some examples include choosing fresh ingredients, using less oil, and avoiding excessive sugar.
Food preservation helps keep our food fresh and safe for longer.
Some common methods include refrigeration, drying, and canning.
All right, everyone. Today we're going to do a simple experiment to grow mold on bread. Here's what we'll need. A slice of bread. Any kind will work. We'll also need a sealable plastic bag, a spray bottle with some water, and a sunny windowsill. If you're using store-bought bread, keep in mind it has preservatives, which means it might take a bit longer to grow mold. Fresh bread, however, will grow mold faster.
Now, let's make sure the bread is damp, but not soaked. The moisture will help mold grow. Once it's ready, we'll put it in our plastic bag and seal it up. For this experiment, we're going to place one bag on a sunny windowsill to see how sunlight affects mold growth.
Now, we'll take another slice, make it damp, and put it in a different bag.
We'll place the second bag in a dark, moist spot. The darkness and extra moisture will help speed up mold growth on this piece. Mold needs moisture to grow, and it reproduces quickly in humid environments.